What is going on YouTube? Hidden back making another brand new crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at the S&P 500, VeChain, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. We're pretty much wrapping up VeChain here on the channel. It will end, I believe, tomorrow's episode. So definitely make sure to leave a comment down below with which altcoin you would like to see reviewed in next week's videos. VeChain did pretty damn well. We caught it at its resistance and we discussed that if it broke through that resistance line, we were going to see it pop to the all-time high and then continue to pump higher. And that's pretty much exactly what VeChain did. And not only that, we're also going to be looking at some of these other major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, which have actually managed to retest their prior all-time high in resistance and have now managed to pump through that as we head up even higher to newer all-time highs. This is some crazy stuff we have to talk about on the entire market, including XRP. So if you are new to the channel, definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a giant thumbs up as this does help support the YouTube algorithm. Also make sure to check out my Patreon if you are curious about any of my crypto trades. This way you can follow me on there, as well as my Twitter. If you have any questions, you can DM me over there. Otherwise, let's jump right into today's episode. All right, so where do we begin? Top 10 cryptos, everything is pumping beautifully. Everything is up about, I'd say 5 to 6% across the board. Bitcoin up 6%, Ethereum up even higher. We have a ton of things to discuss. You can see, XRP right here is pretty much one of the only coins that is still consolidating on, on Bityard and even on the, Coinbase chart right here. There is still this, symmetrical triangle that has formed, and it's pretty much just trading sideways. And eventually we should be able to get that confirmation as most of the markets are starting to pump bullish. We'll probably end up seeing XRP pump bullish too and swing to the upside. Obviously, we could take advantage of that by, leveraging the trade on Bityard, literally just typing in, if we do, let's say 10 times leverage, we put in 1,000, bingo, and then we just click buy long, we enter that trade. And if you guys are beginners and are still learning how to do it, you can obviously just go to the demo account. Nothing changes. The only thing that that differs is your balance is now a play balance. It's not real money, but you get to trade around on the website as if nothing ever changed. So there's really no difference, and you can just test your skills. I've had a lot of people make a couple $1,000s easily just in the demo account on Bityard. And then I've swapped over into the, the live Bityard charts, and I've made quite a bit of money learning the techniques prior on the demo, feeling comfortable, and then switching to the live account. So that's my plan. That's what I did originally when I first started with Bityard. So definitely make sure to check that out. Now, looking at XRP specifically, you can see where our worry is. I mean, notice all these other altcoins are bouncing off support. Bitcoin breaking through resistance, VeChain breaking through its resistance and heading up even higher. So it's nice to see that all these coins are bouncing on support. And we're doing the same thing here on XRP, where we have these, higher lows being set and these lower highs being set, ultimately coming to an apex. We're really looking to see that confirmation of a breakout, and hopefully we'll be able to see that confirmation bullish break and swing back to the upside, easily targeting, I would say, about 54 to 53.5 cents right here. This is that resistance that we're looking for. So I truly believe we'll probably break through that resistance and head up to about 54 cents on the coin. This is what we're looking for, really, just to pump like that. We're coming to the last couple of days. I can't see it, being longer than maybe March 15th. That seems to be the deadline for this coin. And we're pretty much getting hugged on the moving average. Yes, there is a very slight chance we could break bearish. Obviously, if at any point we confirm closing a candle below this support level, then there's a very big chance we'll probably see a short. But really what we're looking for, there's a lot of support on this coin right now, and a lot of the other cryptos are starting to break bullish. So it more so makes me think that we're probably going to be shooting to the upside. So really what we're looking for is that strong confirmation correction above, or confirmation line above this resistance. Clearly this is the downtrend where we have these lower high formations over and over again, 1, 2, 3. Now we're really looking to see this. We're looking to retest this. Not only is it the resistance right here at 46 cents, but it's also where the downtrend meets. So we need a break through this and just close a little bit, maybe at 47 cents. Close the candle at 47 cents. We're bullish, and then there's a big, reversal pattern. 63 cents would be, a more aggressive approach, but easily 54 cents. So I do believe XRP is still on that verge of popping. We're just completing the pennant flag before we see that run. Now, all the other altcoins look absolutely phenomenal. Ethereum, Bitcoin, VeChain all look insane. Bitcoin is the biggest one. I mean, Bitcoin straight off the bat has just slowly vanished away from its uptrend here. Went straight to the top, broke through it today, shot up from $57,000 and $59,000, breaking through all-time highs once again, and is now probably going to end up closing today's candle above this resistance. The second we see confirmation of that, guys, full steam ahead. We're headed even higher. Now, sky's the limit. We could easily see $70,000 on Bitcoin in the next couple of days. It's just absolutely insane. Volume is going to come back in. People are going to be buying back, and we're probably going to see this market kind of take off. So definitely make sure to get in on this the second we see a confirmation close above this resistance, which we're pretty much at. So we're just waiting for the coin to close above this white line. It's fair game to be, I'll be buying in on a bullish note and buying in for a swing to the upside, leverage trading it, creating a stop loss probably closer to 57,500, but I do believe we're going to head up much higher. So it's pretty much leverage on buying in. This is where it is. It's just the fact that we're closing above here is enough news for me to say that we're going bullish, and we'll probably see these prices head up even higher. Now, looking at these other altcoins, Ethereum is kind of hanging out a little bit lower than I had anticipated originally. But everything is so bullish right now. Prices are coming back. We're very close to retesting all-time highs. All-time highs is like 1950. That's where the candles close. But in regards to the wick, it's closer to 2050. But we should be seeing that retesting in the next couple of days. This doesn't end until March 18th. This ascending fractal or ascending triangle, whatever you want to call it. There's a clear resistance. But granted, the fact that Bitcoin is exploding up, the fact that XRP is in line right here, and the fact that Ethereum is getting very close, there's a very big chance Ethereum is going to use its consolidation. Maybe we'll trade sideways for 2 days until, or 3 days until the 16th. Then we'll see that pop. The second we see confirmation of the daily candle close above 1950, it's game on for Ethereum, and we'll probably see a big volume swing into the upside on this coin. Obviously, the same thing applies itself with all of these, ascending triangles. The second we see confirmation where this candle closes a daily below this uptrend, the green uptrend, we know it's a reversal. We have to get in for a short to the downside. But likelihood, the best scenario here is what I'm anticipating is we pop off through this resistance and head up even higher. So that's really what I'm focusing on. I do believe that XRP is going to pop probably the same time Ethereum does. Ethereum and XRP look fairly similar right now. Bitcoin is starting to lead the way, a little overexcited. Didn't wait to consolidate it to here and just started to pump as we speak. So hopefully today, I'm saying hopefully today, we close above this resistance. If we recede back down, close below here, we'll probably see something like this. Boom, and then hopefully we'll break up. But as long as we could stay above this resistance here at $58,000, 58,377, then we're pretty much bullish for the fact that we're going to head up even higher. But it all rides on whether or not today's candle decides to close. If we do, then it's pretty much only up from here. We're going to see prices go even higher. Now, VeChain is pretty much that reference to Bitcoin. You can see Bitcoin just broke through its resistance here and it's kind of hanging out. If it can close like VeChain did above, like you see here, even if it consolidates back down to support, it's pretty much up from here. VeChain has shown its positivity and it shows that it still wants to continue to break to the upside and set all-time highs, which we've been doing practically every day. Yesterday has shown an all-time high, a new one, and pretty much all these cryptocurrencies are going to continue to do so as long as we close above the resistance. So VeChain has found its uptrend and it's pretty much closing above the resistance. It consolidated and then popped off again, and it's going to continue to do so. We're doing the same thing for Bitcoin. Bitcoin, pops up, maybe it hits 61,000, corrects lower, but as long as it closes above this resistance today, then we're going to continue to see prices, soar even higher, and that goes for all the cryptocurrencies. So I'm bullish on VeChain, Bitcoin, pretty much all the altcoins and cryptocurrencies from this moment on. And then lastly, the S&P 500 looks absolutely incredible. Finally breaking through its top resistance. You can see pretty insane what we're noticing. There was a bearish fractal on the coin. I'd say something along the lines of this. You can clearly see it right here, where it was finding its, support level and resistance. And we just constantly were retesting this, setting lower highs. eventually, you know, popped off, broke through here, and closed above the prior ascending fractal that we had. And now we're back inside of it at a lower RSI from the prior time when we retested all-time highs. First time we hit this all-time high trading at 65. Now we're currently at 58. So we're much lower, and it gives us plenty of room to head up even higher. So I do believe everything is looking very positive right now. Otherwise, guys, if you are new to the channel, definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a giant thumbs up as it does help support the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.